All right, y'all, what's up, man? This is the second day. I did the first live last night about the BPH, which is the benign prostatic hyperplasia, or the enlargement of the prostate, which causes a slow pee stream, a lot of getting up in the middle of the night and pissing in the middle of the night. And what else did it do? You know, you piss and then you don't feel like your bladder's fully emptied. You're pissing again about an hour, 2 hours later. So I noticed that with me. You could watch the live. I did a live on it last night, and I'll put that link underneath this video. You can watch the whole thing. So what I'm doing is I'm changing you know, what I'm eating. I'm changing my diet and the amount of foods that I'm eating, right? And the number one thing that I'm seeing is the sugar, right? The sugar. When I'm cutting the sugar, I'm getting great results, right? So last night, this is my second day. Yesterday, what I've been doing is I've been fasting pretty much all day, drinking coffee. You know, I'm a coffee drinker, and coffee for me acts as an appetite suppressant, right? And then I make smoothies, and I really just been drinking those and water, and just like eating late in the day, 4 or 5 o'clock, right? And I've been getting good results with that, right? So got up last night, went to sleep. I got up to piss one time, and I don't feel all of that pressure on my stomach. You understand? My belly area. I ain't drinking no sodas. I'll cut out all the simple carbohydrates, the bad carbs, the simple carbs, sodas, cakes, pastries, donuts, ice cream, you know, shit like that, and just focusing on eating the good carbs. Last night, for a midnight snack, instead of making some cereal, I made some grits. I made me a pot of grits, and I ate that. So just giving an update. You know, we moving forward, and you know, a lot of y'all went in the comment section, yo, go see a doctor, man. Don't tell me what to do, man. You know, don't act like a woman, man. This ain't no woman's channel. This is a men's channel. We men. You know what I'm saying? Worry about yourself. Don't worry about me. I got mine. You know, go get yourself checked out. Go to the doctor. All that, man. I don't want to hear that shit, man. You worry about your own life. You understand? I put this information out just to document it for other dudes that's got the same situation going on, that may be embarrassed to talk about it, ashamed of it, and, you know, let niggas know it ain't no shame in the game. You understand? But don't do that to me, man. Don't do that to me. That's like weak to me. That's like, now a woman doing that, oh baby, hey baby, you go get yourself. Now I expect that from a woman, but not from a man. So that's where we at. Finna go work out. This is day 2. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Peace.